ready to take your drone game to the next level in 2025? Whether you're a filmmaker, hobbyist, or aerial photography pro, this year is shaping up to be one of the most exciting yet for drone technology. In today's video, we're diving into the top 7 best upcoming DJI drones that are expected to launch in 2025. From powerful upgrades to brand new innovations, these models could completely change the way you fly and create. DJI has been leading the drone industry for years, and with 2025 around the corner, they're set to push boundaries in flight time, image quality, obstacle avoidance, and even AI-powered tracking. If you're thinking of upgrading or just curious about what's next, you won't want to miss this. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future drone updates. Let's jump into the future of flight, starting now. Number 7, DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is one of the best budget-friendly drones in DJI's lineup, offering impressive performance in an ultra-lightweight package. Weighing under 250 grams, it doesn't require registration in many countries, making it ideal for beginners and casual users. Despite its small size, the Mini 4K packs a punch with its 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and a 12MP camera, delivering sharp, detailed footage for travel vlogs, outdoor adventures, and everyday aerial shots. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth and stable video, even in light wind conditions. With a maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes, it provides plenty of airtime to capture stunning visuals. Its GPS-based stabilization, return-to-home function, and simplified flight controls make it both reliable and beginner-friendly. While it lacks advanced obstacle avoidance and tracking features found in higher-end models, the DJI Mini 4K shines as a compact, capable drone that offers incredible value. For users who want quality aerial footage without breaking the bank or dealing with complex settings, the Mini 4K is an excellent choice. Whether you're just getting into drone flying or want a lightweight companion for content on the go, the DJI Mini 4K is a strong entry-level pick in 2025. Number 3, DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro takes everything great about its predecessor and pushes it to the next level. With a redesigned airframe, enhanced stability, and a quieter flight experience, it's clear DJI focused on refinement and power. The Mavic 4 Pro features a new 1-inch CMOS Hasselblad sensor capable of shooting 8K video and 48MP stills, delivering stunning clarity, rich colors, and professional-grade dynamic range. One of the standout upgrades is the improved omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, now powered by AI-based flight path prediction for even safer navigation in complex environments. With a flight time of up to 45 minutes, it's one of the longest-lasting drones in its class. The OcuSync 4.0 transmission system ensures an ultra-stable connection with low-latency 4K live feed from miles away. DJI also upgraded the intelligent flight modes, including enhanced active track, improved subject framing, and more cinematic quick shots. For professionals and creators, the Mavic 4 Pro offers everything needed for high-end content creation in a compact, foldable body. While premium in price, the Mavic 4 Pro justifies it with unmatched performance, making it one of the best prosumer drones in 2025 for filmmakers, surveyors, and serious aerial photographers. Number 5, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a major leap forward in the sub-250G drone category, combining portability with pro-level features. Its standout upgrade is the omnidirectional obstacle sensing, making it the safest mini-series drone yet. Paired with advanced active track 360 degrees, it can smoothly follow subjects with impressive precision, ideal for vloggers, travelers, and action shots. The Mini 4 Pro also supports 4K per 100 frames per second slow-motion video and 10-bit D-Log-M, giving creators more flexibility in post-production and cinematic quality right out of a pocket-sized drone. Despite its compact size, the Mini 4 Pro offers OcuSync 4.0, delivering a stable 20 km range with sharp 1080p live feed. Flight time reaches up to 34 minutes on the standard battery and nearly 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. It retains the same 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor from the Mini 3 Pro but pushes it further with smarter processing and better low-light results. For anyone seeking a lightweight yet powerful drone that doesn't sacrifice safety or quality, the Mini 4 Pro is easily one of the most capable compact drones on the market in 2025. Price point. Number 4. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is a powerful and versatile drone that offers excellent performance, advanced features, and exceptional image quality, making it a top choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and capable of shooting 5.4K video at 60 frames per second, it delivers stunning, cinematic footage with vibrant colors and incredible detail. The large sensor also ensures excellent low-light performance, providing clear, sharp images even in challenging lighting conditions. With a maximum flight time of up to 46 minutes and a range of up to 12 kilometers, the Air 3S excels in endurance and reach, giving pilots the flexibility to explore vast areas and capture unique perspectives. The drone also includes obstacle sensors on all sides, enhancing safety and providing a smooth, secure flying experience. The DJI Air 3S offers smart flight modes like Active Track 5.0, Master Shots, and Smart Photo, which make it easy to capture professional-grade content with minimal effort. The intuitive DJI Fly app enhances the overall experience, providing easy control and real-time feedback. Overall, the DJI Air 3S stands out as a high-performance, user-friendly drone that combines advanced technology with stunning imaging capabilities, making it an ideal choice for content creators and aerial enthusiasts alike. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is an outstanding drone that takes aerial photography and videography to new heights. Featuring a robust design and enhanced flight capabilities, it offers an impressive combination of power, precision, and versatility. The standout feature is its triple camera system, including a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor, a 70mm medium telephoto lens, and a 166mm telephoto lens. This allows users to capture breathtaking 5.1K video at 50 frames per second and 4K video at 120 frames per second, offering incredible detail and dynamic range. The Mavic 3 Pro excels in stability and flight time, with up to 43 minutes of battery life, making it ideal for extended shoots. Its advanced safety features, including obstacle sensors on all sides and advanced return-to-home functionality, provide peace of mind. The drone's improved transmission range of up to 15 kilometers ensures that you can fly in more remote locations without signal loss. With intelligent flight modes like Active Track, Focus Track, and Master Shots, the Mavic 3 Pro is user-friendly for both professionals and enthusiasts. While it's on the pricier side, the performance and quality of results justify the investment. Overall, the Mavic 3 Pro is a top-tier drone, offering unparalleled capabilities for aerial photography and videography. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a game-changer in the compact drone category, offering professional-grade features in a small, lightweight package. Weighing just 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it incredibly convenient for casual and beginner pilots. Despite its size, the Mini 3 Pro delivers impressive performance, with a 4K camera that supports up to 60 frames per second and captures stunning detail and color, thanks to its larger 1/1.3-inch sensor. This makes it an excellent choice for both recreational flying and professional content creation. Flight time is another highlight, with up to 34 minutes of battery life, providing plenty of time to capture your shots. The Mini 3 Pro is equipped with advanced safety features like obstacle sensors on both the front and back, ensuring safer flights in various environments. The addition of intelligent flight modes, such as Focus Track, Active Track, and Master Shots, allows users to achieve cinematic shots with ease, even without prior drone experience. The intuitive controls and DJI's robust app make the Mini 3 Pro easy to use, while its small form factor ensures portability. Although it's priced higher than other drones in the Mini series, its performance and feature set make it an excellent value for those seeking a high-quality, compact drone. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro takes everything great about its predecessor and elevates it with advanced features, making it one of the best compact drones on the market. Weighing just 249 grams, It remains light and portable, perfect for travel or casual flying, and does not require FAA registration. Despite its small size, the Mini 4 Pro boasts a powerful 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and delivers impressive low-light performance, making it ideal for both casual and professional-grade aerial shots. One of the standout upgrades is its enhanced flight time, offering up to 34 minutes on a single charge, ensuring plenty of time for creative captures. The drone is equipped with front, rear, and downward sensors, improving safety and obstacle avoidance during flight. Its advanced intelligent flight modes, like Focus Track, Master Shots, and Active Track, help users achieve cinematic, smooth footage with minimal effort. With enhanced transmission range, the Mini 4 Pro can fly up to 12 kilometers, and its reliable OcuSync 4.0 system ensures stable video feed and controls. The intuitive DJI Fly app makes flying and editing footage seamless, even for beginners. Although priced slightly higher than the standard Mini models, the Mini 4 Pro offers incredible value with its top-tier features and performance. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this review of the top 7 best upcoming DJI drone of 2025 helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to Legit Tech Pick for more tech reviews and updates. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite phone or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.